If you work with Rigsmart Systems, you probably have a battery or two lying around that might need to be changed here and there. My name is Neil. I'm a Rigsmart field service technician. Today we're going to go over the process, how to swap one of our batteries and any of our wireless sensors.
Take your battery out. First thing that you're going to need is just your 1/8 Allen key. 1/8 Allen key should fit any screws on any of our devices, just like so. And once you're done there, you can just take a small flat blade screwdriver, pop it right into the bottom part of this lid here. That'll help you just pry the lid up. And inside is your battery. You can just go all the way down to the bottom of it and use your flat blade to pry it up a little bit. Or if that's just bending too much, even just on that top lip of the battery here, just lift it up a little bit, keep a little pressure on it with your thumb, and that just pops right out. So that's your old battery out. Important key things to keep in mind here. Your bail angle, it's gonna have 4 screw holes. Make sure that you have a screw in every one of those. Otherwise, you're gonna run into a situation where you can let water get into the battery compartment, cause some corrosion. Obviously, we don't wanna do that. You can't stress enough here, 3.6 volts for your battery. Just make sure that it's a D-cell sized 3.6 volt battery. Any of our new devices, you're gonna wanna have these battery clips, one for the positive terminal, one for the negative terminal. Just keep those in to help avoid any vibration problems that you might have, especially on top drive equipment. We're gonna put your new battery back in. Step 1, your battery clips here. One on either side. Red goes on the red side, black goes on the black side. And the battery, I'm just gonna pop right in with some firm pressure on both sides. Then after that's done, you're gonna take your lid, put it back on. And this is where we have the O-ring that keeps the seal watertight on the back. And you're just gonna make sure that that's nicely greased with some O-ring grease. So I've got my O-ring grease here, just like so that that's nice and greased. That lid goes back on top. All 4 screws reinstalled. All 4 back in, lid's the right way around. The little plastic tabs will be up at the top here. The flat side will go along so that you can pry those bad boys up. It's pretty obvious. So that's all you need to know about changing a battery in a Rigsmart system. If you have any problems, questions, concerns, please give us a call here at Rigsmart Systems or shoot us an email. We'll be happy to give you a hand.